think in my science, I have the understanding that every malfunction is compensated by something that could take over. If we are talking about cancer cells, I think that every malfunction uncovers a potential vulnerability, a sort of Achilles heel that we could use to target.
In her research, Dana Branzei investigates fundamental processes of life, namely the repair and maintenance of our DNA. Her focus is on how cells react to genome damage, repair this damage, and at the same time, maintain genome stability. Branzei's most important contribution to date has been her research on replication stress tolerance. This process makes it possible for cells to avoid DNA damage during replication. Dana Branzei was able to prove that these mechanisms not only preserve life, but also play a decisive role in the development of cancer. Accordingly, Branzei's research findings have opened up new perspectives in cancer research and treatment. Her discoveries make it easier to understand the molecular causes of the disease and to develop more targeted treatment options in the long term.
The Humboldt professorships is a launchpad for me. It allows me to join a league of top-tier researchers, and it gives me the resources to build a world-class team and to enjoy global collaboration. I am truly humbled to join a league of thinkers who dare to wonder.